5 reasons why most men won't say sorry. Men are proud beings and will do anything to maintain that pride. If a man feels that if he does a particular thing it will lower his prestige and pride, he would rather die than do such a thing. This does not mean that men don't apologize. It merely means that they only do so if it's severe and under great distress. Why then is it challenging for some men to apologize? Here are 5 reasons for this behavior. Fear of being looked down upon. Some men find it difficult to admit that they're wrong. Admitting to wrongdoings will lower their prestige and make people see them as incapable or less competent. They always want to be seen as the more intelligent species and don't want anybody to see their weaknesses. So even if they realize that they're doing something wrong, instead of apologizing, they'll look for ways to cover up their mistakes or possibly push the blame onto somebody else.
As usual, if you enjoy watching our video, please help by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future.
Fear of responsibility. Men do not love to be seen as the ultimate devil. Mostly when they've done something to you, then they realize they've wronged you. They're scared of taking up the responsibility for hurting you, so they devise means of easing the pain on you and making you share in the blame. They tell you things like, "I wouldn't have yelled at you, but you did this or that." This is a cover-up, a skill which they use in covering up the fear of taking up responsibility for their actions. Vulnerability and weakness. Men always want to be seen as the stronger gender at all times, and coming out to apologize for wrongdoings is seen as a weakness. They make sure to never apologize for their misdeeds, not to seem weak and vulnerable. Some women are fond of capitalizing on men that apologize, thereby making them feel bad for even apologizing. Hence, they do not apologize so that they seem harsh. For a man to apologize makes him feel open before you, threatening to his ego. Diverging emotional expectations. Most men want other people to see things from their perspective, always. So if they do something that you feel is not okay with you, and that thing might be okay with them, they think you don't deserve to be apologized to because it's okay from their point of view. If you want to understand why they did what they did, you have to look at the situation from their angle. If you refuse to do so, then you can go because they'll never apologize. They try to manage their emotions. Most men who refuse to apologize do that due to trying to manage their feelings. They are often comfortable with being angry, easily irritated, and being emotionally distant. They fear that if they apologize to you for wrongs that they do, they will be letting their guard down, and that will make their psychological defenses crumble and open the gates to a world of sadness and despair, leaving them too powerless to stop.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.